Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can build a custom coming soon page or like website is under construction or maintenance page with the help of a super easy plugin, right? So basically we are going to use a plugin. With the help of that you can create a custom template regarding coming soon pages. Okay, so first of all you can see on our test domain, which is samiranclubtest.com, there is an e-commerce website up and running and with all the functionality. If you don't know how to make an super easy e-commerce website with all the free resources out there available in the market, do check out our previous video, or I will just link it in the I button. Okay, so before starting, do hit the subscribe button because we provide video tutorials related to WordPress or any kind of HTML template, Elementor template available out there in the market. Cool. So once you have done the subscribe thing, let's start the video. Okay, so first of all you need to come to your domain, which is in my case this test domain, and you have to log in. If you don't know how to log in, that's super simple. You have to hover your mouse to the URL and hit WP admin, right? And you will be redirected to your dashboard. So basically dashboard is a section where you can manage all your settings related to your website, like permalink settings or any kind of setting. If you want to add a plugin, you can do it with the dashboard. If you want to change the theme, you can do with the dashboard. Okay, so in this video we are going to add a plugin. So with the help of that plugin we will be able to create a custom page for upcoming pages or coming soon pages or the maintenance page. Cool. So coming back to this plugin and installed plugin, right now all the installed plugin will be listed in front of you, right? Right now there are 10 plugins, and if you want to add a new plugin, click here a plugin. So basically plugin are those files or which help you to extend some kind of functionality on your website, right? So if you want a contact form on your website, then you need to have a contact form up and running in your WordPress backend, right? And the most popular contact form plugin is contact form 7 or the ninja form. Okay, so for the coming soon pages I will just search coming soon, and the first plugin will be listed here is one of the best plugin out there, coming soon by Seed Pro. Okay, we will install this because it has 1 million active installation. That is really great, right? We'll just install this and activate this plugin on our website. And this plugin also provide a interface similar to Elementor, which is a drag and drop interface, which makes things way more easier than ever they were. Okay, we will activate this plugin, and let me show you that this website is up and running right now, and it is not under construction mode. Okay, I'll just go in an incognito mode, that's a private window, and I'll search for this website. And as you can see, this is up and running. This is not under coming soon or maintenance mode. And as you can see, we have installed this plugin and it is asking us to create our first page, or you can read the full guidelines. We will create our first page, or you can just on the left hand side you will see seed pods. You can create your templates, subscriber getting us. Okay, we'll just go to the template section and see what are the templates these people are providing us for free, right? Because in the pro version they can provide you pro version templates also, but let's see what they are offering for the free one. As you can see, this is the coming soon maintenance mode. They are providing this. Okay, let's create a blank page first of all. So here you can select a template and then you can use on your website for the maintenance mode. Or coming back to the pages section, here you can create a page for coming soon or the maintenance mode, right? The maintenance mode page will notify the search engine that the site is unavailable, right? So that is not good for SEO. And coming soon will be available for the search engine, but your website will be private. So that's totally upon you what kind of method do you want to use, but I generally prefer using coming soon, because then in that case your website will be still listed on Google search engine, right? And whenever your website is up, you can just inactive the coming soon mode. Okay, let's active this and set up a coming soon page. Okay, hit on setup. You can create a landing page here. Right now you can see there are two templates, coming soon and new ID. We can create a new one, create a new landing page. Then it will ask you to pick a template. We will pick a blank template, right? This is the second step. As you see, templates. We'll create a blank template and we will name it after coming soon. Okay, and we'll start the editing of this particular page. Your already existed. Okay, this URL already exists. Coming, we will add one more S and O in that, coming soon. Okay, so as you can see, this is loaded up and this is a blank interface. We will add a heading. You can select, first we have to select a layout, 2 layout, 3 layout. We'll select a single layout. We will add a heading. Okay, and we will try to add a margin in top and front, advanced and spacing. Margin of 50 will do the work. No, we don't need the margin. We will add padding of 50. Now it is in the middle, and we will change the text here. Right now the text say awesome headline. Our website is coming soon, please wait. Okay, so this is the text which you want to use on your website. Okay, and if you want to add an image, you can come here and add a image just like the Elementor interface, and you can add a coming soon image or any kind of image that you want. Use a stock image. Coming soon, that's under the pro version, I guess. You cannot use that functionality. Yeah, that is unlocked and that is locked basically, and you can use the image here. Okay, and after that, if you want to capture the emails of those people who have landed on your page and your page is not active, you can do that as well, because once you go here and on the top you can see there is a connect button, right? If you want to capture their email by active campaign, Aweber, campaign monitor, any of these, you can do that. But the thing is that is locked inside the pro version of this plugin. You can always go ahead and purchase that as well. Okay, this was the basic thing how you can do with the blank interface. Let me save this. Okay, and coming back to the private window, we will see that now the website is running or not. Okay, once I refresh, as you can see, this is the blank interface. There has to be text. We will delete this one. We don't require this. Delete this image section, and we will select the save button and publish it. See it live. Your page has been published, and now if you go to this section, refresh it, now you will see the text. Our website is now under coming soon mode, right? And now if you want to pick a template, then if you want to add that as well, you can do that as well. Coming back to the page settings, and I guess we need to go back to the page where all the designs were listed. Save setting, exit without saving. So as you can see, coming soon mode is enabled, active. We need to create a new landing page with the help of template we will use this time. Okay, and here as you can see, there are we will select a coming soon template, and all of them are logged under the pro version, so we will just go with this one. Okay, select this and we will just name it coming soon CS, and we will start editing, right? And this will give you the exact layout what is it showing in this particular square box, right? As you can see, if I go here, this will be the interface of your website when it is in the coming soon mode. We will save this, and right here we will publish this as well, right? Your page has been published. Okay, so you can change that URL as well, because once you go to the CS mode of this website, then you will see that it is published and your website is blank right now if you go to the home page. But if you go here and the CS, then you will see that website is under maintenance mode. Let me show you how. Coming back to the dashboard, and you can set the CS page as the home page of your website under the settings section and reading section. Then you can select a particular static page as your home page. Right now this CS is your home page. Save this setting. Okay, and we'll just go back to the private window and we will just refresh the home page. So now coming back to the home page in the private window, as you can see, if I refresh, now this coming page is there, which is great, right? Because you can change anything back there with the interface of just similar like Elementor. So I hope you get my point, how you can easily make your own coming pages and a maintenance page. So basically, let me explain you the brief difference between the coming soon page and the maintenance mode page. So basically, if you don't want your website to be listed under the search engine, then you should use the maintenance mode, right? And if you don't want that people if you want that people should come to your website via search engine, then you should just use the coming soon page, because your website will be available for the users under 2 or 3 days or within a week. And if it is taking more than a week, then you should outlist that from the search engine and you should use a maintenance mode, right? I hope you really get my point. So if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to support this channel, just give it a subscribe as well, because we provide tons of value regarding WordPress tutorials, right? Okay, so I'll catch you in the next one.